Something big is happening inside Samsung's software labs, and if you thought One UI 8.0 was the final form before the next generation, think again, because One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be the most surprising mid-cycle update Samsung has ever created. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. Today on Tech Insights, we're diving deep into a major leak that confirms Samsung is building an upgrade so massive that it feels more like One UI 9 than a 0.5 release. The first internal test builds for One UI 8.5 have already appeared on Samsung servers for the Galaxy S25 series, signaling that the company is preparing an early beta launch to test all the new features. Something Samsung almost never does for half-version updates. And based on everything leaking from Samsung's internal development branches, this update focuses on three pillars: a redesigned visual interface, a smarter AI-powered Galaxy ecosystem, and next-level performance improvements across the system. Starting with UI changes, One UI 8.5 brings a completely modernized visual language influenced by Samsung's Glass UI experiments, transparent panels, enhanced shadow layers, floating controls, smoother animations, and new physics-based motion transitions that react to your finger movements instead of simple fixed animations. The quick panel is being rebuilt with modular tiles, dynamic brightness controls, and a new expanded mode that organizes your most used toggles on the top layer for easier one-handed access. System apps are also getting refreshed layouts with new typography, larger spacing, softer corners, and bottom-aligned settings menus across the board. The Settings app is being reorganized with smarter category grouping, faster load times, and redesigned icons that match Samsung's new visual direction. Even the camera UI is being cleaned up with simpler focus controls, AI-coordinated shooting modes, real-time scene detection powered by new neural processing, and a revamped Pro video interface that gives creators more manual control while keeping the design minimal and easy to navigate. But the biggest highlight of One UI 8.5 is the AI overhaul coming to Galaxy phones. Samsung is upgrading its entire system-level AI engine to reduce latency, improve device-based processing, and intelligently adapt to how you use your phone. Auto-organization features will let AI clean up your home screen, sort your apps by usage behavior, and automatically group your widgets in a compact layout. Samsung Notes is getting AI-generated summaries and voice-to-text improvements. Samsung Keyboard is adding tone-aware text rephrasing, grammar correction powered by on-device AI, and enhanced predictive typing that learns from previous conversations. Bixby, which many users have ignored for years, is getting one of its biggest transformations ever. According to internal code references, Samsung is integrating a secondary AI layer that handles complex queries, meaning Bixby will soon be able to understand context, provide multi-step answers, retrieve summarized information from the web, and communicate more naturally, similar to next-generation AI assistants. Notification handling is becoming smarter, with priority ranking, grouped categories, and the ability to automatically identify urgent alerts like flight changes, food delivery updates, and banking activity and pin them to the top of the notification shade. Samsung is also testing a new AI privacy guard that detects suspicious apps and background processes, automatically blocking access to sensitive permissions. Private Album is becoming a full system feature with encrypted storage, lock states, and secure cloud syncing. Auto Blocker now has temporary override options for users who want to install apps manually without permanently disabling protection. One of the most impressive changes is the performance boost. One UI 8.5 introduces adaptive resource scaling that actively relocates CPU, GPU, and memory based on real-time activity, improving frame stability and reducing heat during gaming, video editing, or multitasking. Paired with the new thermal management engine, your phone will run cooler, faster, and more stable for longer sessions. And speaking of gaming, Samsung's Game Booster is getting a huge overhaul with a redesigned panel, advanced FPS tuning, instant resolution switching, and AI-driven frame prediction that stabilizes gameplay even when the device heats up. Voice changer, super microphone, and anti-interference have all been improved for streamers and gamers who demand maximum control. Samsung is also introducing Game Focus Mode, which blocks every single background activity except essential system services, giving higher performance than any previous One UI version. Animations across the system are becoming faster, cleaner, and smoother with upgraded GPU acceleration and microtransition layering. App launch times are shorter, multi-window handling is quicker, and scrolling feels more responsive thanks to the new touch prediction engine. Widgets are getting smarter with dynamic updates, contextual suggestions, and a new interactive layer that lets you access basic app functions without opening the full app. The lock screen customization tools are expanding with new fonts, clock styles, gradient wallpapers, parallax motion effects, and deeper integration with Samsung themes. The always-on display is being redesigned too, with clearer icons, smoother transitions, and new glow-based animations. One UI 8.5 will first roll out to the Galaxy S25 series, followed by the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7 S24 series, and newer foldables in later beta waves. The stable release is expected to debut officially with the Galaxy S26 lineup next year, but the internal leaks clearly show that Samsung wants users to experience these massive changes early. This is easily the biggest mid-cycle software jump Samsung has created in years, and if development continues at this pace, One UI 8.5 might be the smoothest, smartest, and most polished Samsung experience ever. Tech Insights will continue tracking every leak, every hidden feature, and every beta update as it arrives, so make sure you're subscribed, because One UI 8.5 is just getting started, and this new chapter for Samsung software is going to be incredible.